So this lady was on YouTube and she has a cleaning company, and she said when you have caked on grease like this, you can use a razor blade. And I was like, really? So I'm gonna try it. It really works, as opposed to me trying to scrub it so much and using chemicals. So I guess that's what I'll do. So I can do it with this hand. There you go. So usually I have both hands, and then I can't do it and hold the phone at the same time. So I was able to curl a lot of it up. By doing this. Ugh. It's making a difference.